Black dog.
Hey, I just say, man, ain't should knock that little nigga out, dog.
He with his pops, man.
He with his pops, what the fuck he doing stealing bike?
He try to steal somebody's bike. Who bike he try to steal?
What's up, Jeremy?
Eight Block crazy today. It's that TUS today.
Wait, he try to steal his bike, bro?
Look at that goblin. That goblin.
Goblin. Talk about nobody, boy. Get that big ass gap in your mouth, boy.
Yo, ugly
And I
ass.
got more bitches.
Yo,
So it don't even matter.
Yo, ugly ass.
Look better than you. I got more money than you, my nigga. You ain't got nothing
This
on me,
nigga
my
got
nigga.
jokes for days.
Bitch look better than
This
you.
nigga got jokes for days. This nigga funnier than Kevin Hart. This nigga just funny. Yep. No, nigga, y'all always worried about what I got. Get your stuff correct, nigga. I'm not worried about you either. That's what you assume. That's what you assume. Don't worry about me. That's good. Don't worry about me.
That's your picture? How much you buy your shit for? $3.99.
All right, good. Bravo. Want an award, my nigga? I give it to you. I'm not trying to clown my nigga. I'm just having a good time. I'm turned up. I'm high. I don't give a fuck. I'm high. I don't care what you say. Why you getting butt hurt? Why you getting butt hurt? Yeah, now you see how I feel. Y'all do it all the time, so I'm going to give y'all your own medicine. Now y'all don't never get on me. All right. All right, all the time. What you mean? All right.